finding a parakeet budgie in our garden. Am I seeing this right? What a beautiful budgie. This parakeet had been spotted around the area. We contacted the owner to let them know he was in our garden. His name is Major. Budgies are gentle and passive birds. They are very easy to tame. Budgies are also very playful, active and quieter than some other types of parrots. Budgies are quite gifted at mimicking sounds: a creaking door, a squeaky chair, the tone of a text message. Heard enough times, your parakeet will start making these sounds too. Budgies are active and playful and should have a large cage that allows room for toys, sleeping, eating and flying. Budgies are social birds and many owners keep budgies in pairs so that they can entertain one another. Variety is the key to a healthy diet for your budgie. Seeds and pellets can be fed to budgies, but also a variety of fresh vegetables: carrots, broccoli, corn, spinach, beans, etc. and fruit. When I was a little girl, I had budgies. My first budgie was called Charlie. He looks like this picture. Then we got Jimmy and Trudy. They looked like this. Free flying time is critical to budgies. They need several hours each day in a room that is safe. We gave Major some bird seeds and some water as it was a hot day. What do you think about budgies?